lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, after completing explanation part of lesson 9, that is our body, today we will do the exercises that are true and false and take the correct answer. Okay. One more thing, student, you have to do these exercises in your science book. Or student, write complete spelling of true and false. Don't write only T or F. Okay. Now let's start. So student, lesson 9, our body. So student, first exercise is true and false. First mention the date. Now date, what is the date? Yes, 26 November 2020. Okay, now CW. Okay, now write T for true and F for false statements. But student, you will write complete spelling of true and false. Don't write only T or F. Now first is our body is made up of cells. Okay. Now student, already I have told you our body is made up of many small cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of our body. Okay. Now this statement is true. Now we will write true. T R U E. Okay. Now true. Okay. Now second statement is muscular system protects the inner delicate organs of our body. So student, all the muscles in our body forms muscular system. Muscles cover the skeleton and are attached to bone. So this statement is false. Okay, now FALSE. Okay, now false. Okay, now third statement is there are 206 bones in our body. Student, there are 206 bones in our body. All bones in our body make up the skeleton system. So this statement is true. Okay. Now true. TRUE, true. Now fourth, digestive system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. Student, you know digestive system consists of mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. So student, this statement is false. FALSE, false. Okay. Now fifth, we breathe in food to live. We breathe in food to live. Student, the respiratory system help us in breathing. So this is false. We will write here false. Okay. Student, now we will do second exercise, that is take the correct answer. Okay. Now first is our body has 206. Now we have 4 options. First is cells, B tissues, C bones, D muscles. Students, already I have explained, you know very well, our body has 206 bones. So option number A, cells, B, tissues, and D, muscles are wrong. Now correct answer is C, bones. Okay, now clear. Second, similar cells join together to form. Now four option: A, tissues, B, organs, C, organisms, D, none of these. Student, similar cells join together to form tissues. So student, option B, organs, C, organisms, and D, none of these are wrong. Now correct option is A, tissues. Okay, now clear. Now third, a major excretory organ of our body is, now you have four options: A, mouth, B, stomach, and C, kidney, and D, nose. Student, you know waste materials like urine and sweat produced in our body are removed through excretory system. Kidney, lungs, and skin form the excretory system. So student, option A, mouth, B, stomach, and D, nose are wrong. Now correct answer is C, kidney. Okay, now clear. Fourth, nose and windpipe are parts of options: A, skeletal system, B, digestive system, C, nervous system, and D, respiratory system. Student, you know very well, respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe, and lungs. So A, skeletal system, B, digestive system, C, nervous system are wrong. Now correct answer is option number D, respiratory system. Okay, now clear. Fifth, an important organ of our circulatory system is, now you have four options: A, stomach, B, lung, C, heart, D, brain. So student, the heart, blood vessels, and blood form the circulatory system. So student, option number A, stomach, B, lung, and D, brain are wrong. Now correct answer option number C, that is heart. Okay, now clear. So student, today we have done two exercises that are true and false, and take the correct answer of lesson 9. Now student, homework. Learn true and false and take the correct answer of lesson 9. Have a nice day. Thank you.